dear, no problem at all. I am telling you, see, it's no problem. I will have them cleaned.
There is something very unusual going on around here.
Oh, nothing at all, my dear. Nothing at all. Remember what I told you? I am a man of principles. Now, let me get this out of the way. Manager to cleaner number 1. Will you please retrieve dirty clothes from in front of room number 6 for emergency cleaning and drying? Over. Affirmative. 10-4. Positive. Out. You will be dressed and be ready in 5 minutes. Is what?
This situation, I mean, if somebody was to come in and see us here, alone, in a hotel room, half naked, we'd have a hard time proving our innocence, I tell you that.
You can say that again. Here we are. Pose up so nice. Nice for a pose. To take a photograph.
You know, this situation inspires a poem. Come and help me write.
All right.
Okay.
You start.
Okay, let me think now. Fate has brought us together.
Aim. Together? Together. Lightning. Where the lightning?
Oh, maybe it's clearing up. Flung together like lovers in a dream.
A dream? A dream. Is you fall asleep back there?
Unwitting partners in an unwitting dream.
Waiting. Waiting.
But strangers are we, not lovers.
Lovers. Lovers. Forever lovers.
Oh, Ollie,
See them, Mr. Johnson? If I did tell you, you'd probably not believe me. But you're hearing it for yourself and seeing it for yourself, too. Lovers, lovers, forever lovers.
Harry, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here, naked, on the bed, with this... What is this?
This is Ollie.
Maffi, how come you never tell me that this is part of the plan?
How long has this been going on?
Since about 7 o'clock.
Weeks, Mr. Johnson, weeks.
Maffi, is this part of the plan too?
Bev, how could you do this to me?
Look, there is a simple explanation, Harry.
She's taking it for an idiot, Mr. Johnson.
Maffi, what's going on?
There is absolutely nothing going on.
Nothing? Lovers, lovers, forever lovers? You call that nothing?
I don't understand. Maffi, you never tell me about this one. What is happening?
That was just a poem.
Poetry, reciting poetry to one another. And I uncovered this plot, this evil plot. Me alone.
Maffi, what's going on?
Harry, who is this man?
I am Private Eye Maffi Cardosa.
Who is this man?
This is Ollie Wilkinson. He's a hotel manager.
Hotel manager?
Wait, you're having an affair with the hotel manager?
Lie! Him is not the manager. I know this is a careless boy. I see him walking up and down the street all hours of day and night.
His liar telling. I is the hotel manager. Now, how dares you to come into my premises with your masterosity?
If you were the hotel manager, what are you doing naked in a room with a guest?
Good question.
Well, sir, wine throw away on the pants, you see, and I sent it to get it clean.
Wine?
Bev, explain it to him.
Okay.
Bev!
First name basis.
Look, Harry, I come here all the time.
See there?
Whenever I tell you I'm working late, I'm usually here. I'm working on my book of poetry. You know I can't work at home, Harry. Besides, I promised the publishers first draft by the end of the month. I'm dedicating it to you. I wanted it to be a surprise.
Well, how did he get into the picture?
Oh, well, today I just happened to be the 1,000th guest in the hotel, and he's here honoring me for that distinction, that's all.
Why are you undressed? Why is he in his underpants?
Oh, well, the wine. That was a part of the honor. It spilled on my dress and on his pants, and he's having it cleaned by the hotel's emergency cleaning service. Okay?
Emergency cleaner? Emergency cleaner. How is the pants and the dress getting along? Good. Over. Negative. Out. 3 minutes. Good. It will be ready in 3 minutes.
Are you trying to fleece me out of my money?
Yes.
Me? A professional like me? Let me show you something.
Maffi, wait! What is wrong with that boy doing?
See the clothes here? Throw them outside on the floor. I have all the proof you need, Mr. Johnson. Look, photographs of them hugging and kissing, etc., etc. Now, tell me something. That's the behavior of two complete strangers. Half naked, alone in a hotel room? Eh?
No, you have a point.
And that's not all. I have cassette tapes. Here, trap videotapes. Everything. I have all the proof of what you've been suspecting all this while, Mr. Johnson. And I uncover it, me alone, single-handedly.
Beverly, what have you got to say for yourself?
Not a thing. You obviously trust this con man more than you trust me. So I'll not say another word.
No, Ben. No, we can talk this over. No, stop, don't go, please.
So, Mr. Johnson, guilty as charged.
Know that she gone. Everything okay? Him know that means part of the plan?
Play it by here, Oliver. Play it by here.
You know what? As manager of this hotel, I have a lot of things to do.
Manager? I'll go downstairs and get somebody to come up here and identify you as the manager.
Hi. I mean, assistant evening manager.
No big thing, man. Somebody must come up and identify you as the manager.
Deputy assistant.
Tell you what, I will bring the manager up here to identify you as him deputy assistant manager.
No. I don't think he will remember my face. I just started work this morning.
That shouldn't make any difference. Your employer must know your face.
Well, I did come late this morning.
So, Mr. Johnson, is line telling? Look, if you want these photographs on slide, you see?
Maffi.
Just ask.
Maffi. His wife looking at me like that. He know me's part of the plan.
You're the slimy rat that's been seeing Bev?
No. Me not so slimy. Security. Send 2 guards up here right now to get out 2 intruders out of the premises.
Intruder? Who are you calling an intruder?
Security, cancel that call for me. The last request, cancel it, please.
I have never been a violent man.
And please don't start
But
now.
there comes a time in every man's life when he is pushed to the limit.
Maffi, let me tell you something else. Don't fool with me here. Here, Mr. Maffi.
Who you calling Maffi? Eh? Who you calling Maffi? I am Private Eye Cardosa. Maffi is from my friends and acquaintances. Mr. Johnson, I'll be in the office first thing tomorrow morning to collect that shit. Okay,
Good
right?
job.
Maffi, it's me, your friend, Oliver.
How you can do a thing like that, man?
Oh, that. I'm happy.
What do you mean you gotta tell the man the truth, man?
Maffi said the man was going to kill me.
The man was going to kill Oliver. You hear the man say with him one mouth that he was not violent.
That is what him say with him mouth.